Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with David Gura and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
Okay, I want to start with Anglo American, ticker AAL, up more than 9% in London. They agreed to a tie-up with Canada's Teck Resources, which is ticker TECK. Their U.S. listed shares are up as much as 16%. So the big deal, yes, it's one of the biggest mining deals, more than a decade, creating a more than $50 billion company. And Tom said it, copper. That's what it's about. Yes, it gives Anglo access to Teck's portfolio of copper mines. So Bloomberg calculations, they show the deal would represent a 17% premium to Teck's closing share price on Monday. Anglo's also going to pay investors a $4.5 billion special dividend ahead of the combination. The combined company will be called Anglo Teck.
Out of Vancouver.
Out of Vancouver, yes. Preliminary listing, though, in London. Still requires, though, Teck's shareholder approval, regulator approval in countries like China, the U.S., and Canada, too.
So we're, like a year out, year and a half out? How long is it going to take?
Still out. They haven't said, but yes, it takes a lot of time.
I can't say enough about how the M&A is just lit up. The gentleman from Barclays, Mark Geller, yesterday,
fascinating conversation.
Folks, I'm amateur at this, and I can just tell you all of a sudden, the fever's there.
Every day. You asked a great question question about how these are. You did. Add it to your list. Add it to the tally.
It happens.
No, but just are companies looking for this, or is he driving that activity?
Yeah,
he made it sound like it's happening very organically.
I learned that from Peter Grauer, our chairman of Bloomberg LP. Mr. Grauer said it can go both ways, Tom. It's not just about idiots and bow ties. That's what Mr. Grauer said. Next.
Plural,
yes. This is AI-centric cloud platform company Nebius. It's ticker NBIS. They're based in Amsterdam, so their shares have been up about 55% before the open. They said they're going to provide Microsoft access. This is to GPU infrastructure capacity. It's a new data center in Vineland, New Jersey. That's way south New Jersey. That secured up to $19.4 billion, so it's a 5-year contract for that. So if you're wondering, who is Nebius? So Nebius, they split from Russian internet giant Yandex last year, and that was Russia's leading technology company before, yes, the invasion of Ukraine. It was suspended from trading on the NASDAQ after that, and Microsoft is just looking to address that shortage in AI cloud computing capacity.
When you were flying with the Blue Angels for WPIX,
yes.
Did you ever think you'd do a vamp like that on Russia, M&A, with the hands moving?
On Bloomberg surveillance.
Radio, she's like she's landed on Blue Angels on the deck of the aircraft. Next, one more.
You got it. Okay, United Health. I have to squeeze this one in. Ticker UNH. Their shares are up about 5%. They said they expect most of their Medicare Advantage members to be in these highly rated plans that earn bonus payments next year. So United Health is the biggest seller of the plans, more than 8 million members. It shows about preliminary data. 78% of members will be in plans with at least 4 stars, and that's basically what you need for those bonus payments. But it's a big boost for health insurance businesses. I mean, you have Medicare expected to pay health plans at least $12.7 billion in bonus payments this year.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.